Hello and welcome to Happy Handicrafts. Today we're going to be doing the second lesson in our Brushwork series. We're using the book Brushwork, Elementary Brush Forms by Marion Hudson. If you missed our first lesson, I'll put a link to that below, as well as to our website where you'll find more details, including brush and paint suggestions. Now I hope you put in some practice after our last lesson. I know I did, and it really does make a difference. Today's lesson involves taking the things we learned in lesson number 1 and putting them into a design as seen in the book. When you're ready, place a small pea-sized amount of paint onto your saucer and mix it with a small amount of water. Fill the brush with color and begin to lay it onto the grid, similar to the pattern in the book. Then find the center and fill in the design in a similar way to the example in the book. It doesn't have to be exact, but care must be taken that the brush is used in the 4 directions in making the pattern. As you paint, remember to hold your brush vertically, using your little finger as a stabilizer. Now before you're done, you want to make sure that your brush is properly cleaned. Swish it well in a clean glass of water, adding soap if needed. Be sure to remove all paint, ensuring that the water runs clear. Once it's washed, reshape the bristles with your fingers and store it lying flat on a napkin to dry after use. And that concludes our second brushwork lesson. Thank you for taking the time to craft with me, and I hope to see you in our next video.